Hi everyone, today I am going to teach you how to create this awesome text effect in After Effects. Once your text is ready, duplicate the text layer. Next, select the rectangle tool and follow my steps on screen. Double click on the top bar, then press and hold the shift key to adjust your mask. Repeat this exact same process for the other layers. Once that's done, head over to Effects and Presets or open FX Console if you have it installed and search for texture loops. Apply it to your bottom text layer and copy the settings I am using right here. Now pre-compose your layers and add deep glow. Go ahead and match my correct settings. To finish it off, let's add a drop shadow and copy these values. Duplicate the drop shadow one more time to make it pop. Match my adjustment. And there you go, your text effects is ready.